Hey guys, Lee here from PreSonus and welcome to the StudioLive Minute. In this video we're going to check out how to use user layers on your StudioLive Series III console mixer. So the user layer allows us to create our own custom layer of channels, and within this layer we can have any inputs, DCA groups, effects returns. So to set this up, you press the user layer button, and now you'll see on my mixer I have empty scribble strips. And if I press select on any of my channels, on my screen, I have now the option to select from my input channels. And using the encoder below the screen, I can scroll through all of my options for auxiliary inputs, tape inputs, talkback channel, my effects returns, my auxiliaries, subgroups, and my DCA group masters. So a very flexible way to set up your own custom mix layer. If I select any of these options and press done, now you'll see the selected option populates mixer channel. Okay, so thanks for joining us to explore the user layer on the StudioLive Series III console. For more great features on PreSonus mixers, please check in with us again on the StudioLive Minute. Thanks guys.